Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Nyla coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Wednesday, September 16, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 57 degrees. We are expecting a high of 82 and a low of 63, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Zara, Chan, Adam, Amy, and Jimmy. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the Cubs lost to the Pittsburgh Pirates by a score of 5-4. The White Sox lost to the Oakland Athletics by a score of 17-6. Today is Menchie's fundraiser day. Come to Menchie's at the Schaumburg Town Square from noon until 10 o'clock tonight, and 20% of your purchase will be donated back to Hoover. Tomorrow's Pizza Thursday. Don't forget to bring money for pizza. It's only $2 a slice. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Nyla. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. Don't forget, today is early release. We get out at 11:40, but we also don't have lunch here at school today. So remember, a couple other announcements. First off, second floor, boys' bathroom especially, has been a mess. Boys, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade primarily. Keep that bathroom clean. Use the bathroom appropriately. Be responsible. I'm counting on you to make that difference. All right, we have our first Herbie lunch. Herbie's Heroes is this Friday. Once a month, we pull a student's name from every classroom who has been showing, they've been respectful, responsible, and safe. And so these are the names, so bear with me. We have got Grace F. in room 101, Braden S. in room 102, Rylan K. in room 109, Tony M. in room 110, Meta S. in room 105, Dominic R. in room 106, Sayori L. in room 107, Rashida K. in 108, Jana U. in 116, Niall P. in room 117, Caitlin C. in room 118, Sang B. in room 119, Ash VP in room 120, Naomi P. in room 112, Arav N. in room 113, Dylan M. in room 114, Jaden F. in room 115, Nicholas W. in 121, Primal P. in 201, Emma R. in 202, Arohi V. in 203, Madison T. in 213, Kira K. in 214, Amanda P. in 204, Cole R. in 205, Elizabeth W. in 206, Sam Z. in 207, Nyla T. in 209. Nyla's the announcer today. Awesome. Joshua H. in 210, Emily F. in 211, and Holly J. in 212. So the students who just got their names called, if you could please come down to the office after announcements and get a letter from Mrs. Boeing or Mrs. Shoemaker that explains to your parents that you have been selected for Herbie's Heroes. Congratulations. Everybody have a great day. I already did. I already did. See, look, I'm getting grief from the crew here. I already announced the half day. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome and congratulations.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that your tongue has two very interesting qualities? Besides being one of the strongest muscles in your body, your tongue has a unique print just like a fingerprint. Research on a 3D image machine is being developed and tested at your local police station. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 6th graders in room 211. Happy Hump Day Wednesday.